Rocky, watch me pull a rabbit out of my hat.
Yeah, but that trick never works.
This time for sure. Presto! No doubt about it. I gotta get another hat.
And now, here's something I hope you'll really like.
That's right, Rocky, and I'm sure they will.
Hokey Smoke Sound Ideas presents the sound effects of Rocky and Bullwinkle and Friends.
Sound effects? I like the sound of that.
Yeah, it's an outstanding collection of sound effects from one of television's best-loved classic shows.
Let me guess. Starring Rocky and Bullwinkle. That's us, I might add.
The sound effects of Rocky and Bullwinkle and Friends features 3 CDs with 785 effects.
Whoa-wee!
Yeah, you'll get all the well-known sound effects from the show.
Like this one.
Not to mention the sounds associated with Boris and Natasha, Sherman and Peabody, Dudley Do-Right, Fractured Fairy Tales, and Georgia the Jungle.
Uh-oh. Well, Rock, I guess we better go.
Yeah, but not before I tell everyone that the sound effects of Rocky and Bullwinkle and Friends have been meticulously cleaned, remastered, and prepared by Sound Ideas.
Eeny, meeny, chilly, beany. These spirits are about to speak.
Yeah, but are they friendly spirits?
Friendly? Just listen.
Hokey Smoke, you better call Sound Ideas today to order the sound effects of Rocky and Bullwinkle and Friends.
You said it, Rock. Spoken like a true cartoon hero.